As RobiCarr, we develop electric and driverless logistics solutions. With solutions we develop, we create autonomous logistics solutions in areas such as factories, warehouse, and airports. Innovative autonomous platform for material handling and transportation in manufacturing address key challenge in the sector. By automating physically demanding and repetitive tasks, it helps to mitigate labor shortage and reducing reliance on manual labor. With advanced safety features like obstacle detection and traffic light recognition, it enhanced workplace safety by minimizing accidents. Solution stands out with its seamless operation in both indoor and outdoor environments, providing flexibility across varying manufacturing settings. By integrating advanced technologies like LIDARs, cameras, GPS INS, and HD map, it ensures precise and intelligent navigations. Mind4Machines was a very big step for us in terms of the commercialization of our products with the partnership with established and financial support we received. We developed our product together with our customer and make it ready for sale.
Karsan is one of the biggest OEM in Turkey. Also, we export our vehicles over the 14 countries. Karsan mainly is producing electric vehicle, autonomous vehicle, and hydrogen vehicle. Most of the people in my company had no idea about the digitalization and autonomous vehicle. But for now, they are able to adapt easily into growing technology. So actually, the challenge was to how to adapt the people from the less background or less familiar to do technology. We were not familiar to do one part of the digitalization called carrying robot, because we have before this project. First, the planning. We plan to some part or the mid and feature level of the robot working process. Second one is that I think cloud-based solutions and applications we improve in this field. We are currently applying, also operating in many fields in our process. Being the part of my Mind4Machine always was great opportunity, and really we are happy to go together, work with Mind4Machine and work with RobiCarr company. Thank you.